What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys saw from that intro, this vehicle is absolutely hammered. We are doing our 6-month sealant package to the exterior, and we're going to be doing our complete interior to the inside. So let's lay out the process before we get into this video. First off, we're going to have to go through this entire vehicle, remove all the trash. I mean, we got water bottles under the seat, we got motor oil and some Clorox wipes on the other seat. Then I want to do a nice thorough vacuum, get up the bulk of this stuff, and just have the stains left behind. And once you're done vacuuming, we're going to go through with some all-purpose cleaner and a drill brush. We're going to agitate the carpet, lift up any sort of dirt and stains. We're going to use our little handy-dandy extractor, and it's going to siphon up all that dirt. And then whatever's remaining, we'll go through multiple times and make sure the stains are gone. We're not guaranteeing perfection on this one because we don't know what the stains are from. We don't know if that fabric is color dyed or the carpets are color changed. But we want to go for as best as we can and do obviously our best to make sure that this vehicle gets back to new. But as you can see, like, this thing it's pretty dirty, so it'll be a fun one. We don't really work on cars this dirty that often, but when they do come in, I'm excited. Kind of test your skills and see how good you can actually do as a detailer. When you're working on these brand new cars all the time, I mean, it's not that fun. It's so repetitive and you get used to it. So this will be a fun one. I'm gonna record and talk over myself recording so you'll understand what we're doing. I'll explain the process and the little tips and tricks in between, so stay tuned. Also, we're gonna do something a little bit different here. For this video, starting now, I'm gonna have you as a subscribers comment an idea of what you guys want me to make as a video, and I'll be choosing one video a week from you guys to be making. So kind of keep it realistic. I mean, don't go crazy, like go detail a private jet. I mean, maybe we will, I'll try to find one, but keep it realistic so we can actually make it some useful tips for you guys. But yeah, leave your comments down below what you guys want to see next video.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous, you would think that happens in it.
Alright, so the floor mats are already looking so much better. We're using our handy dandy IK sprayer with some Owner's Pride OP Clean in there. Using our drill brush, agitating it. Then we're using the pressure washer just to blow all that stuff out of there. Then we're gonna let it dry up for a little bit and start going over to the extraction phase and remove all that dirt from the carpet. Now that those floor mats are done, we're gonna go over to the vehicle. We're gonna start doing a bulk vacuum. Guys, we got 3 filthy interior details in today. This is one of those days where you can't catch a break. But let's get the vacuum set up, start moving over to here and doing a nice little bulk. In the carpets, I pull out the steamer to get all the cracks and crannies in between the seats and stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and steam clean the cup holders with this little bristle brush on the end of it. Then we're gonna hit all the cracks inside of the dashboard and center console, and we'll go back to extracting.
Coming with it, you were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous, you would think that happens in it. Damn man, I'm all that, yeah I'm all that. Working for that whip, yeah that what you call that. I'ma blow up in the summer, have them yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead like an effing ball cap. Man, I came in the game like whoa. Got a couple chains on me cause I like gold. They told me I'm the best and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, they saying I'm the man. Facts bro, facts. Lot of haters, tell me where they at though.
Alright, it's about like what, 6 hours in, Jacob? Almost? This car is finally coming back to life. Like, as you guys can tell, it's looking much better. Clearly, the seats are looking good. You guys check out the inside now. It's looking much better. It's not 100%. Obviously, like, it's not possible to bring the seats back to 100% unless you color dye them, but we're just trying to do our best here. Check out the back seats. There you have it. Jacob's working on the doors right now. We're doing a nice little all-purpose cleaner, scrub it, steam them to disinfect them, and we're applying dash scrub to protect it. What we're using for all the seats and carpet is some OP Clean diluted 4-to-1 to to get some strong stain removal. And obviously for this car, it was pretty dirty, as you guys saw, so you got to use some strong power to get the stains out and lift them up. Then we're using a little handy dandy, what is this thing called? I think the Pro Bristle. Guys, this is all we're using for this car, and look at that. You're getting those kind of results. You don't need to go buy a $1,000 Mighty or extractor with a steamer. We're using a simple McCulloch steamer with a bristle extractor. I'll put the links to our Amazon right below, and you guys can purchase this stuff yourself and get going on your cars. You guys, why is this door locked? So as always, let's go over the process of what we did to this vehicle. We first started off with a nice little bulk vacuum, got everything cleaned up, got all the trash removed, so then we have some nice, easier room to work with. And after that, we started off with some OP clean, diluted 4:1. We put in a pump sprayer, spread it all over the carpets and seats, use a drill brush, and add it to the seats. With that, you can kind of lift up all the dirt and stains, and use an extractor. And as I was mentioning, you don't need some $1,000 extractor. We just use a little bit of a bristle right here. We like to put Eco Wash from OP in that, and that kind of uses more chemical when you're extracting to kind of help get that stain out. And once you're done extracting, you can go over to the seats or the doors and dash, and we like to use OP clean, diluted 10:1 rather than 4:1 because it's not as aggressive. You don't risk damaging the doors, all the fabric on here. Once you have OP clean sprayed on there, we use a steam cleaner, work that stuff in with a nice little bristle brush, and then you remove it. And to protect it all, we use dash guard from OP. As I mentioned earlier in the beginning of the video, leave a comment down below of what you guys want to see me make a video on, and I'll be more than happy to do that. Picking that one comment every single week to do this. But that's it for this video. If you guys did like this video, please give me a like, a thumbs up, press subscribe, leave your comments down below. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to DM me on Instagram. If you guys want to buy this product, we do have our retail site open. We're still building out a website for it, but go follow our new Instagram for it, GD Auto Supplies. I'll put a link down below as well for that. And you can see our entire OP care lineup. We got grip guards, towels, some masks, a shirt, brushes, claimants, you name it, we got it. We got even our own little custom buckets for you. But that's it for today, guys. If you did like this video, give me a like, thumbs up. See you guys next time. Peace out.